Let me show you a tool that's been working hard on these remodel jobs here lately. The new brushless 5.5-inch circular saw by HART. It's a great little dedicated saw for roofing sheet goods, cutting 2x, and trim. Yeah, there's a time and place for big, heavy circular saws, but on these interior remodel jobs, you gotta get in small places and get out. I value lightweight and compactness in those situations. And then you throw a brushless motor on this compact frame, it's like putting a rocket engine on a dirt bike. And everything in my remodel rig is brushless. Look, I don't like downtime on the job site. That's why I like brushless tools. They pack more power and they have longer runtime. Every drill, cut, and screw goes faster and less battery charging. And all that means one thing, getting the job done faster. And this saw can make up to 350 cuts on one charge. That's a solid day's worth of cutting right there. If I'm bringing a circular saw on a job site, it's gotta be able to cut through 2x-dimensional lumber. And even though this one's tiny, it can handle 2x's like a champ. Easy bevel adjustments too. We go the extra mile to keep our homeowners happy, and this vac attachment helps me do that. When I'm cutting inside the house, I'll plug the saw into the vac so it sucks up dust while I cut, so less gets in the living area. This battery powers all HART 20V tools. This powerful little guy would be a great addition to your loadout, but it's only available at Walmart.